Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So today's video is going to be on this makeup look right here. I really love that pop of purple eyeshadow. I was getting a lot of requests from you guys to try something more colorful, something more dramatic, you know. So I came up with this look. I really love the way it turned out. This is my second time filming this video. I already filmed this look before, but I don't know how. My all footage got deleted. I don't know how. So yeah, if you guys are interested to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Let's get started. I already did my brows off screen. Now I'm gonna prime my eyelids. I'm doing a purple smoky eye today, so I want to make sure that my eyelids are nicely primed. To do that, I am gonna use Age Divine Concealer in the shade Neutralizer. Once the concealer is on, I'm gonna set the concealer using some powder. Now for the eyeshadow, I am gonna take this Makeup Geek single eyeshadow in the shade Tan Lines. I'm gonna use this shade as a transition color. I'm gonna apply this eyeshadow directly onto my crease. This is for a little bit of color and depth to the crease. Same thing to the other eye as well. So once I'm happy with the transition shade, and now I am gonna move on to the other one. So for the lids, at first I'm gonna apply this Rimmel London Scandal Eyes eyeliner pencil. This is for that base. The purple eyeshadow stick hunako लागि केही base चाहियो नि त, so this is for that. I'm directly applying this eyeliner pencil to my lids. You don't have to be perfect. We are gonna blend this anyway. Taking my finger, I'm just gonna randomly blend this out. Then you can take some brush. This one is from Real Techniques. This is like a densely packed thick brush. I'm gonna go on top of that liner, and again I'm gonna blend this randomly. When it looks something like this, I am again gonna take the same eyeshadow, which is Makeup Geek single eyeshadow in the shade Tan Lines. I am again gonna take this eyeshadow on the same brush, and I'm gonna apply this right on top of that black eyeliner, and I'm gonna blend this harsh line. I know it's looking a little bit crazy right now, but it's all about the process. Everything will come together at last, so just keep patience and start blending. Now for the best part of the video, which is that purple eyeshadow. I am gonna take this Jaclyn Hill palette, and I am gonna use this really beautiful purple eyeshadow. I'm directly gonna apply this with my finger. When you apply your shimmer eyeshadows with your finger, it looks more pigmented, so I always apply shimmer eyeshadows with my finger. Such a beautiful color. Now I am gonna take that same blending brush, and I'm gonna go on top of this line, and I'm gonna blend that out. You can also use that first eyeshadow that we used a little bit, because it helps in blending. Once there are no harsh lines, I am gonna apply some lighter eyeshadow only to my middle part of my lids, just because I want to make that part pop out a little bit more. So I am gonna take this eyeshadow and just gonna apply this to my middle area or part or whatever. I am just dabbing this. Lastly, I'm gonna take this orangey kind of shade on that same blending brush. I'm gonna go on top of everything and blend this out one more time. Like I said, it's all about the process. It's all about blending. Taking some highlighter, I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. So the eyes are done. For the face, I'm gonna try this LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Long Wearing Illuminating Foundation. I think I'm gonna film a separate like review and first impression kind of video for this foundation, and I'm gonna upload the foundation review video first. So early summertime, you guys have already watched that video. If not, I will put the link in the description box. So for this video, I'm just gonna skip the foundation part. So yeah, I just reviewed this foundation. I really love the formula of this foundation. This made my skin look so healthy and dewy naturally, as you guys can see. So I really love this foundation. I highly suggest you guys to go for this foundation if you like natural looking foundation. For the concealer, I'm gonna mix these two. This one is LA Girl Pro Concealer. This one is in the shade Creamy Beige, and this one is in the shade Pure Beige. Creamy Beige is a little bit light, so I'm gonna use this to highlight my face. This one is Pure Beige, and this one is Creamy Beige. I'm gonna take some Airspun powder on the same beauty sponge, and I'm gonna set the concealer in place. To avoid the powdery face, I'm gonna spray some facial spray all over, taking that sponge. Just gonna go on top and dab it. For bronzer, I'm gonna use the Benefit Hoola bronzer. This foundation was looking a little bit light on me, so I'm using a lot of bronzer to make sure like everything is nice and seamless. For the blush, I'm gonna use this Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso. For highlighter, I'm gonna use this Becca highlighter in the shade Opal, only to the high points of my face. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna take that same eyeliner pencil and I'm gonna line my waterline. Now taking some black eyeshadow, any black eyeshadow will do. I'm just gonna go on top of that eyeliner just to make this look a little bit more dramatic. Now taking that same Makeup Geek eyeshadow that we used before on a small blending brush, I'm gonna blend that line with this eyeshadow. To make your makeup look nice and dramatic, you have to make sure that your lower lash line is nicely smoked out. Taking that same purple eyeshadow, I am gonna apply this right here. Now we are almost done. I'm just gonna quickly highlight my inner corner using the same highlighter. Now for the lips, I'm gonna keep it really neutral because the eyes are really dramatic, so lips should be neutral to make this look wearable. This lip liner is from Colorpop. This is in the shade Skimpy. So yeah, this concludes the makeup look, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this purple smoky eye look today. If yes, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye! Taking some highlighter, I am other one. Ow! Ah, On top of that, I'm gonna apply this same Colourpop lipstick in the shade Skimpy.